What we have here is a Casablanca Delta III. Yeah, some of you may think this is a Delta II. But let me show you something. Model CB4445D. It is from May of 2000. At that time period, 2000, Casablanca upgraded to concealed hardware. Hence you see the 2 in the model name. The Delta II did see an upgrade. The Delta III history is rather unclear. But I would imagine they only did this for that 1 year in 2000. And then in 2001, they went fully concealed. The model number does, in fact, classify it as a Delta III. The Delta II model code was 14. I would imagine that they were using leftover Delta II housings before going completely concealed by 2001. This fan came to me from another collector in Texas. It's a pretty clean unit, aside for some little marks here and there on the housing. But other than that, it's really nice. The light kit is a K2 HB. It's a double 60-watt light. I added the light kit pull chain. When it was previously installed, the fan and light were on separate switches, so in other words, the light kit was hardwired. Pull chain for the fan is kind of hard to pull straight down, so I have to pull it off from the side. I will save this light for an IntelliTouch Casablanca, and this will get another one in the future. It only has a slight wobble. The blades are a little jumpy. But it's not terrible. It was taken down fully assembled, so it did sit on its blades for just a short period. But aside from that, the fan's in almost good balance. Moves very good air. A new look with the 15-degree blade pitch. Going at about 210 RPM. It sure does deliver. The Delta III did have a shorter lifespan. I would imagine that they ended in 2008. These were available as IntelliTouch. The overall scope of the fan with the exposed motor housing and concealed blade irons, I would consider it transitional, because they didn't go fully concealed until 2001. These fans were exclusive to Expo, like an exposition hardware store associated with Home Depot. And there you have it. A brushed nickel Casablanca Delta III.